Discord is a free program with loads of features that are great to work with and is a growing platform reporting over 250 million users. Discord was built towards gaming groups, but now it can be used in many ways. Let me tell you what you can do with it. Chat, video calling, screen sharing, live stream, create a community, or join a community. I use Discord to stay connected with my friends anytime, anywhere, holding meetings, work from home, playing games, and we egomaniacs have our own Discord server to stay connected with our community. If you are already a Discord user, you may know what we are talking about, but feel free to stick around. Who knows, you may find something new. Discord is a chat app similar to programs such as Skype or TeamSpeak, providing them with ways to find each other, coordinate play, and talk while playing. It supports video calls, voice chat, and text, allowing users to get in touch as they please. Discord is also accessible through several ways, which makes it easy to use even if you're not sitting in front of a beefy computer. Discord is built for communities, so grab some people of similar interest and make a Discord server. I hope that you will be using Discord and feel free to share how you are going to use it in comment section. We will be waiting to see what you guys use it for.